Hey everybody, Heather from Hooked on Pickin, and we have got a pallet here that we ordered from Via Trading, which is a company in California. Believe it or not, they're one of our fastest pallet shippers, even though it comes from over halfway across our country. So they usually get it to us really fast, and so we did a little bit of different ordering from this company, so we don't normally order like this, and so we're hoping to find some items in higher quantities. Usually when we get stuff from this company, it's like onesie twosies, but now we're hoping to have higher quantities like master cases, things like that. So let's see what we have in this mystery pallet. Alright, I finally got my Hooked on Pickin sign up. Sometimes it's covered with pallets, sometimes not. But you're going to find all these items on hookedonpickin.com, so you can go straight there to find each and every item. Let's go ahead and cut into this mystery pallet. So already I'm seeing that this is not like a giant gaylord, it's like individual boxes. And so that's encouraging to me. I'm going to pull this whole thing out. An entire box of knives.
Large quantities.
Large quantities. So let me see.
Does it open?
Yeah. Oh, how does it open? There we go.
There we go.
So
it's perfect for Father's Day.
it is perfect for Father's Day. So we're going to have all these listed on hookedonpickin.com. So I think they'll be in the tools section. That's where I would.
Slim, stubby folding knife.
Slim, stubby folding knife. That's
it's
a funny
steel.
thing.
Ceramic ball bearing, carbon fiber. Thumb disc opening. I don't know what that means, but it sounds cool.
Okay. Then we have
Ooh.
heated throw blanket.
There you go. Oh, it's got pockets.
It does have pockets, like a little
pockets.
Kangaroo pouch.
You could be like a kangaroo.
You could. Ink pens, anyone?
What is this?
They're all different kinds of pens.
Different kinds of pens.
So it looks like they're
Sharpie.
That's
Sharpie.
Cool. So this one's like, these are red ink. These are black ink. These are American flag pens.
Yeah, they are.
These are gel pens. I actually just bought these for the office. So we just have all different kinds of pens.
Looks like we've got a couple of different assortments.
Yeah, so we'll have to separate those.
This is our crew over here that's helping. They're doing a great job helping. Very good. One of you want to sort through that?
Yeah, if you want to take it down there, sort the different kinds.
Do you want Lexi to start picking up the boxes?
Well, I'm just going to open this one, but yes, I will have Lexi pick them up.
Oh my goodness, what's in here?
America pens.
Oh my word. We have hit the mother lode.
We should put some of these out in the store for sure.
What do we have?
They're all America pens.
That's perfect. 4th of July. It's the perfect summer pen.
Absolutely.
That's great. I assume they're all American there? All right, Lexi, you think you can shift this over?
Yeah, Lexi and maybe another person. Here, you can probably slide it onto
Probably
the
can
table.
slide it over. Lexi's incredibly strong. There you go. Well done, ladies.
All right, we got some more heated blankets.
Nice.
Ooh, this is a different color box. This one says heated throw. Oh, it's red.
There we go. The other one was blue, right?
Yep.
And I love the pocket, man.
Yeah, it's cool.
Perfect. We're blanket people. I don't know if everybody else is. We sit at our chairs at night. Everybody's got their own personal blanket.
Yes. We even got blankets with their names on it. So
we do.
Fight over them.
Mine is the cardinal blanket.
Yeah. When he sits in his chair and he doesn't have his blanket, he yells, "I need my blankie."
I do yell, "I need my blankie." I sometimes even cry. What do you think this thing is? Oh, is this
Might be more.
just a gazillion heated blankets?
I can't hardly get them out. Hold on.
There you go.
Yes.
I think that, is that the rest of the pallet is heated blankets?
I didn't look at all the boxes.
That could be awesome.
This might, yeah, this one and this one is heated blankets.
Some red, some blue, I bet.
Heated blankets. I think that might be the rest of the pallet. Yes, all the rest of the pallet is heated blankets. So this was kind of a fun thing when we ordered from this company. We did not realize you could do this, but since we're gonna been a customer for a while, we found out that you could go online and you can actually build your own pallet with the different items.
Well, you get quantities.
Yes.
Oh, we didn't exactly see how we built it, but
Right.
it's neat. Well, we need to do more pallets.
Yeah, absolutely.
Where are you
Let's
gonna go
just
now?
pick random other pallets over here. Let's go.
Heather's going to go over here for this pallet over here. Same company. I bet you it's going to be the same situation, but they double stacked pallets here. That saves us on shipping when they do that. So it costs us about $200 a pallet to get it shipped all the way from California, which I don't think is too horrible. Watermelon. California grown watermelons.
Take a peek in the top there.
Ooh. This looks like maybe a board game palette or something.
That'd be fun. Need to put some of these in the store, too.
Yeah.
Star Wars Pictionary.
What do we got there, Alexi?
Star Wars Pictionary, air.
It's a lightsaber,
you
though.
like draw it in the air, and then like
It
it
shows
pops
up
up
on
on
the
people's
TV.
phones or TV, like on the back.
Love it. Love
You
it.
can see he's drawing in the air, and then it pops up here.
I think it's awesome.
Cool.
I like the lightsaber, too.
Yeah.
Very good.
Another one of those. I don't know if I can hardly reach this.
You want a ladder?
Maybe.
Might need to get a ladder. Can we find a
Office
ladder?
space. Like
Office
just a
Space,
step
the
stool.
game. Milton Stapler is inside.
Stapler. The red stapler.
The red stapler.
Okay, FYI, if you watch this movie when you were younger as a kid, you watched the made-for-TV version.
Yep.
If you try to watch the regular version, it's terrible language.
It's
Just gonna warn
not
you.
good language.
Yeah, I had watched it on TV,
Yeah.
and I didn't realize that.
That happened to a lot for made-for-TV stuff.
Black
Black Angel.
Angel.
I don't know what it is.
It is...
What is Black Angel?
Looks like it's some sort of a strategy board game. Look, I'm taller now.
Well done.
Hold on, it's not on the floor. Ronald's like, you're gonna die! Stop! Yeah, so like a strategy board game.
That looks cool. James is making his board game.
Yep.
He has to wait till what, July to get his
July.
test box?
Yes, this one's really heavy. All right.
What do we got there? PBS Kids something.
Build It by Yoxo?
It's a Build It kit.
Yeah.
Ages 4 through 8.
On a scale of 1 to T-Rex.
Yes.
I feel like that's how you should
A
always
game
measure
for
things.
people who are bad at charades.
Yes. This could be the game for us.
It's a game by Exploding Kittens.
Oh, that's awesome. Oh yeah, here's some more Office Space. Don't get starstruck.
U.S. Weekly The Game. The Ultimate Celebrity Party Game. Probably all trivia about celebrities, you think?
Probably. It's going to give you ones we've seen already. Let's see, anyone in here? Here's one of these. Oh, these things are heavy. Jumbo floor puzzle.
Pluzzle.
It's a jumbo floor puzzle.
I would like to call them Pluzzles from now on, Heather.
Puzzles?
Pluzzles. It's a beautiful puzzle.
Because you're playing with them, they're puzzles.
That puzzle box is a little damaged.
Yeah, but we've got regular ones that aren't.
Beautiful. The box is good.
On a scale of 1 to T-Rex.
A lot of these games. Ooh, there's something different there.
It's a new one. Hold on, it's trying to come apart. Well, it's a sealed puzzle. But I don't
Now what?
Now what? That's literally, I think, the puzzle. That would be the hardest puzzle ever.
Now what?
That's the puzzle?
That's the puzzle.
I think.
That's a terrifying puzzle.
Wait, hold on. Yeah, that's
Yeah,
what it is.
that's the
It
puzzle.
comes with the poster. It would take forever to do because it's so similar.
You know what? It's a challenge.
Now what?
Challenge.
Right. Any new ones in here?
Oh, we gotta unload it to get to the next pallet underneath.
Yeah, that's true. All right, so we'll.
All right, we need people to unload.
All right, you guys.
Ready? Charge. Get in there. Lexi, just throw it at everybody else. Well done.
Oh gosh.
This is a nice way to do unload a pallet, ain't it?
Oh, I love it.
Yeah,
it's
it's relaxing for you.
Very
Yeah,
relaxing.
I like it.
Yeah,
Very
this
good.
is the way to do it.
Keeps your shirt from getting dirty too.
Yeah, it does.
Yeah, look at that.
We've got a whole bunch of other things. Those are all the packages ready to go out.
Yep.
Um,
Look at them working hard.
This side. Okay.
Fantastic job, Lexi. And Riley and Rylan. I don't mix those names up at all.
Yeah.
Riley and Rylan. I don't think I see anything different. I'm looking.
I think they're all the same. It looks like.
Yeah.
What's that yellow Pictionary? Have we seen that one already?
Yeah, that's that Star Wars Pictionary
yeah.
game.
We have a friend that loves Star Wars. Friend's
Absolutely.
dad. He would love that game, I think.
Do.
Is there game?
Good job.
They are game people. They have just about every board game known to man. I'll have to call her and be like, hey, Father's Day gift.
Absolutely. You got this, Lexi.
Just climb in there, Lexi.
Go, Lexi. Lexi, you can climb in there.
You can
Yeah, it's
stand
on a
this
wooden
edge.
pallet. You
Yeah.
should be fine. Should have a wooden base.
All right.
And if you fall, it'll make good YouTube.
Here, you can stand right here.
Yep. Got there. Oh, she's in a pallet. Oh. It's like she's in a playpen. Remember when she was in a playpen? It's been a long time since we've seen her in a playpen.
This is a great way to
This
do a
is-
lot of things.
Why haven't we done this before? Saves your back, Heather.
It does.
awesome, doesn't it?
It does, yes. It's
great.
absolutely.
I want to know what a California watermelon tastes like.
This is heavy.
Is it different than a regular watermelon?
Another one.
Is it sweeter, you think?
Maybe.
Sweeter watermelon? California grown?
Here, let me grab another. Here you go, Lexi.
Look at that. Took over from you.
We do have the best employees ever.
Best employees ever.
Yep, they're the best.
These are. Okay. Got it? Yeah.
We're almost there.
Yeah.
Okay.
5 more things.
5 more. Way to go. Way to kill it.
Okay. That's awesome.
Perfect.
Okay, now we have to strategize how to get this pallet off of that pallet.
We probably should get Lexi out first.
Yep.
Yeah,
That would be
you
my
gotta get out of the
strategy.
playpen.
You can probably step here. Oh, don't die.
No dying. No dying.
Okay.
Dying not allowed.
There.
Just take this off.
Yep.
Yeah.
Take that off.
Go for it.
It might get stuck with the plastic or not at all.
Or Lexi's just a pro.
Awesome, Heather. There we go.
Here's more.
I see something looks Barbie.
Yeah, it looks like it.
This is the way to do the pallets. This would be like 3 pallets.
Yes. You get a triple extra unboxing today.
Like it.
All right, go ahead and pull that. I'll pick up that side. You pick up. Just pick it up.
Yeah, it gets hung up on stuff.
That's hung up on that one
Way to go. Way to go.
there. Hold on. There. What do we got in here? So many.
Barbie something.
Yeah. This is
That one's
a
open.
It's a Barbie.
Is that a fishing pole?
It's an actual fishing pole.
That's a Barbie fishing pole.
With sunglasses. It's got a little fish hook thingy in it.
Yeah. Probably a practice caster, I bet, or maybe a weight by Shakespeare.
Backpack. Turn it over.
That is awesome.
Barbie fishing. And then it looks like we also have...
I have a dog that loves the fish. Faith loves the fish.
She does.
Lexi's not real big on fishing. I don't think you are. Not that big.
I like sitting outside and watching people fish.
That's true. Faith, remember when we went last time to Panama City Beach? She actually caught a fish on the pier. She's the only one of us in the ocean that caught a fish.
Which is a lot.
Very good. And then we got, what's this?
Raya, the Last Dragon figurines.
Raya, the Last Dragon. I haven't seen Raya. Is that a good one, or?
Everybody says it's pretty good.
It's pretty good.
Seen it, though.
We're kind of out of the cartoon stage, aren't we, I guess?
Still watch Disney movies all
You still watch Disney movies all the time?
We were packing fire sale boxes, listening to Disney music yesterday.
Wait, what's this? Hot Wheels building set. Almost looks Lego-like, don't
I
it?
think that might be the only things in here, those three.
Is that the only things in this pallet?
I think so. I don't see anything different.
I feel like we need more.
Well, it's going to take us forever to find
know.
things for this and list it all.
I
Anyway.
know, it will take a while.
We could probably just...
That's awesome.
I think that's it. That's everything that's in here.
We have cornered the market on Barbie fishing poles.
Yes.
What do you figure? Probably was for the movie, you think?
Maybe.
Yep.
Maybe. I mean, it doesn't look like
Or was there like a girls' fishing day? I think there is. There was in Iowa.
No.
Take your daughter fishing back in the day.
Yeah. They did all sorts of outdoorsy stuff.
Yep.
Yeah, that's the only 3 toys in this
That
pallet.
is it. Just those 3 things?
That's awesome. But, yeah, they're
Okay.
good toys. They're name brand. And you're going to be able to get one because we have a high quantity of all
Yep,
of them.
hopefully.
So, thanks so much for joining us for this unboxing. I know it's a little bit shorter, but you got a 3-pallet unboxing in such a minimal amount of time. So now you can go and do something outside because it's really nice out right now. So, thanks so much for joining us. And, of course, remember in the end, Jesus wins. Hey, thanks for watching. I hope you learned something. If you'd like to watch more of my videos, just click on them here. And if you'd like to learn more about the reseller world, subscribe to my channel and check out my other videos. Thanks.